This video is a summary of everything that was said in the coins alert. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Look at this now. Bitnomial takes the SEC to court for calling XRP a security after hearing a straight letter to the New York District Court. The letter is shown here. Was sent to Gary Gensler, the head of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC, and some other top SEC officials. In the later heading, it said that the lawsuit was for declaratory and injunctive relief. This is what the body of the second one says. This case is about the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) ongoing efforts to go beyond its legal power when it comes to digital assets, especially futures contracts on digital assets. It is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (FDATTCA) that has the sole authority to control this product. The SEC just takes over this product. This is an unfair way for the SEC to duplicate and add to Bitnomial's regulatory load. There is a big problem coming up, and I can tell you that for free. Before we go any further, there is a new crypto airdrop going on Telegram right now. It will soon be over. Make sure that you take part in this airdrop. Just below the movie, there is a link. Do not miss this. Let's watch more of our movie. The cryptocurrency market Bitnomial has taken the Securities and Market Commission of the United States of America to court. The stocks end. Exchange commissions claim that XR futures are stocks is questioned in the case. In the cryptocurrency business, this claim has been a point of contention. A lot of people at the Securities and Exchange Commission have been very clear. It has been known for a long time that XRP, the digital currency linked to Ripple Labs, is a security. This classification means that XRP and any financial tools linked to it are closely watched by the government. This label means a lot of things. Bitnomial's case says that XRP shouldn't be considered a security, so the Securities and Exchange Commission shouldn't be able to regulate its XRP TRIPS contracts. The Bitnomial legal team argued in the case that was turned in on October 10th that the Securities and Exchange Commission is overstepping its bounds by trying to control XRP futures, which is different from the SEC Bitnomial. Their argument is that XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum should all be seen as goods instead of investments. This difference is very important because the Securities and Exchange Commission does not regulate commodities, but the Commodity Futures Trading Commission does. The case also sheds light on the ongoing jurisdictional conflict between the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (FFDC) and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). This conflict is about how to regulate digital assets. It is very important that the rules that guide cryptocurrency derivatives are made clear, and Bitnomial hopes that this case will do just that. The outcome of this lawsuit could have big effects on the cryptocurrency business, because Bitnomial is a case that could set a precedent. The Securities and Exchange Commission might not be able to control other digital assets as securities as much. Because of this, there may be better rules for cryptocurrency exchanges and buyers altogether. If the Securities and Exchange Commission's classification as a CSE is upheld, on the other hand, it could give the agency more power over a wider range of digital issues. This could mean that businesses that deal in cryptocurrencies will have to go through more regulatory scrutiny and pay more to comply with the rules. The most important thing that has happened is that Ripple Labs has filed a cross-appeal in response to the current case against the Commission. The SEC is challenging the loss it got earlier, and it is making sure that nothing is missed in the process. That the regulatory body did not appeal the ruling that XRP is a security is an interesting thing to note. Bitnomial responds to the fight over XRP futures. Bitnomial is allegedly suing the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to fight the agency's claim that it has the power to regulate its planned XRP futures contract. As the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is in charge of regulating commodities futures, it promises that XRP futures that haven't been listed by the exchange yet will be regulated by it. These will be shipped physically. It is the most anticipated digital asset futures on the U.S. regulated swaps market. Along with that, it was said that the exchange self-certified with the CFTs on August 9, 2024. On the other hand, the Commission talked to the exchange about the deal and said that the derivative is a security future. The exchange is trying to get a formal court judgment to protect the integrity of futures markets. This confirms that the CFT is still within its authority, which means that the SEC can't go too far in the area of digital asset derivatives. Bitnomial has not been accused of any wrongdoing by the Commission, and the company has not yet made XRP futures trade available. Observers say that this case seems to be an important step in figuring out the limits of administrative power. Was ready to take this stance after the recent decision from the Southern District of New York, which said that XRP is not inherently secure but is just a token. A market for digital assets that is controlled by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) says that the U.S. Securities and Markets Commission is still sure that the XRP token is a security. The company Bitnomial just sued the Securities and Exchange Commission, saying that the SEC has too much power over futures contracts. As per the exchange, the product is already under the sole control of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (FTFTFT). People say that the Securities and Exchange Commission is trying to overstep its bounds by trying to regulate too many things at once. This makes things more difficult for Bitnomial. Early in August, Bitnomial self-certified to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (FTF) that it could let people trade XRP futures on its platform. This information came from you today. This move could make it possible for the United States to get its first exchange-traded fund. The Securities and Exchange Commission did, however, get in touch with it soon after the filing. Because they are called security futures, the regulator said that listing them would be against federal securities laws. The government said that XRP futures are formally under the control of both the SEC and the CFC. According to Bitnomial, the company does not agree with the SEC's point of view. That is why it is asking the court to decide that XRP futures are not securities futures. The company also wants the SEC to stop any enforcement actions that might have something to do with the planned listing of XRP futures. There was an appeal from the SEC in this case, and Ripple, the company that is tied to the cryptocurrency XRP, replied with a cross-appeal. The information given by Stuart Alderity, who is the chief legal officer of Ripple, and Brad Garlinghouse, who is the CEO of Ripple, is not meant to be trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.